Hey YouTube, I'm gonna bust this box of Panini Prime, and this is the highest end product I've ever busted, and we'll see what we get out of it. As a FYI, I busted earlier today, but I'm gonna do it as if I haven't busted it yet, just for fun. Make it look like I'm doing it. The order of the cards are the same when I opened it, so it's kind of like a box break. It's not going to have my reactions, that's all, because I'll know what cards are coming. So here we go. Here's the fat stack. First we got Pecorine, 145 out of 249. Next big hit was a Ryan Johansson Prime emblem fight strap jersey, and that is a black version. I think it's the lowest numbering you can get on it. It was my camera doesn't focus, it says 6 out of 10. So there are versions of these that are out of 25, but I think that's the lowest version you can get on it, other than a fight, shield. This was my next hit. It's Steven Stamkos Ryan Malone out of 225. And I got this card next, Luke Shen showcase swatches. That's 4 out of 25. And here's the back. I don't know if you can read it. No, you can't. This is Prime Signatures, Gustav Nyquist, 76 out of 99. And the last hit of the box was this John Moore jersey card. And that one is numbered out of 99. And finally, Mike Richards out of 249. That was my box. I think I did pretty good with this card. Complete jersey auto rookie out of 10. Alright, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.